These were not two rich people, Bonnie and Livingston. They were entrepreneurs. They started a business from scratch with a pound of cabbage seed in one pickup truck.
My grandparents started the company in 1918, and my mom was the youngest of two daughters. Dad started working for the company in the late 40s.
Our grandparents set many examples for us. My grandfather ran the farm. My grandmother actually worked right alongside him.
My granddaddy had this big glass greenhouse right beside his house. My granddaddy loved to play in the dirt, and so did I.
Back in those days, we only had one greenhouse. Most of the plants that we sold were grown outdoors in fields.
Here we are in a little old county of about 13 or 14,000 people, but yet it's home office to a nationwide company doing millions in plant sales throughout the United States, and I always felt a little in awe of that.
My grandfather was a very generous person, and I think it was a testament to him that employees trusted him.
Our business has been successful because we've got good people working for us. And I attribute that to our success as much as anything, the people.
Started off as a help on a truck, like so many other people at Bonnie have done.
I was raised here on Bonnie Plant Farm. I have had every position at Bonnie that you could possibly have.
I spent almost every Saturday and every afternoon after school working with my dad in the office.
You've got people that come up through the ranks, and anytime you can get a group of people focused on the same goal, working toward the same thing, you'll have results.
We had dreams and aspirations to be nationwide.
So we had to establish greenhouse locations in all around major metropolitan areas in order to supply our customers.
What has kept Bonnie going is being able to change when the times needed to be changed.
The product itself is something that has never gone out of style. As the trend towards eating healthier and eating more vegetables continues to grow, I believe that more and more people will have home gardens. I think that Bonnie is well positioned for the future, for the next 100 years.